Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Microsoft OneDrive not syncing in Windows 10. First method is click notification area, click OneDrive icon, click settings. Click quit OneDrive, click close OneDrive, click restart system. Second method is right-click Start button, click Run. Copy command from description and paste it. If any error in first command, use second command in description. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.